This is just going to be a little review on this Pittsburgh 12 volt 150 PSI compact air compressor. I got it from Harbor Freight. It's about $80 after tax. It's the end of July right now. I bought it about the middle of June to air up the tires on my Suburban because they go about 50 PSI and regular air compressor just wasn't working, so I got this one and it seemed to do the job pretty good. Airs them up. It takes about 4 minutes to bring it up to where it's supposed to be at. I've used it maybe 4 times. Today I was airing up the tires on my Ranger with it, and the thing just quit working on me. I just started making that awful noise and ain't pumping out no more air no more. So yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. I'll be taking it back. That's just mine. I've seen some other reviews and people seem to have pretty good luck with it. I had another one that I bought. It lasted about 4 or 5 years, and this one just didn't make it. Must have been a bad one. So that's just my review. If you liked the video or if you found it helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks.